It's my old car. Look who's here. It looks odd to see it. Queuing up to see the cars pop and bang on the way out. So here we are at the Sun and Surf here in the Costa da Caparica in Portugal. This very nice Green Mark 1 running on RS's, and then you got this silver, absolutely mint Type 19 two-piece door skinny bumper Mark II Golf with the Westphalia front end. It's absolutely immaculate, this is. Also like the interior, looks like it's got a polo steering wheel. Let me go around. Got blue dash and blue carpets. Got the original radio as well. Looks absolutely mint, this does. With all the chrome inserts in the mirror, in the window rubbers as well. Really like that. Yeah, look at that. The rear camber on those looks pretty extreme. It's pretty cool with these deep dish rims, banded steels. Very, very cool. And then we move on to it looks like let me just lighten this up a little bit. Big bumper, 90 spec, 16 valve. Set of BBSs on it as well. Looks very tidy as well, very clean. It's got red seat belts. It looks like they've used the Mark V interior. Retrimmed the seats in the Mark V interior. These are quite rare in the UK, these Polo G40s. I think they only sold 500 and then 100 and something were for racing, so there's only like 350 on the road. But here in Portugal, they sold these by the bucket loads. So there's quite a lot still surviving. They're all pretty mint. This white one looks really, really mint. I can see a few more down the line as I look down the line, but this looks really, really cool. Another totally standard G40. If you like G40s, then this is the country to be in, it seems. But this one's running on 14-inch RAs, which is a nice, very OEM plus nod. Looks really nice in red, actually. There's an Indian red one here, looks quite tidy, this one. But there's another one here, Mystic Blue. They're literally everywhere. I didn't realise they did them in Mystic Blue, actually. Don't know if this is original. Oh, shame about the wing. Another tidy G40. 106 Rally, Series 1. We're coming to the main one now. There's a hell of a lot of cars here. So I'm going to show you guys a few other bits that are quite nice, that are obviously not VW related. Look at that. That's a very tidy Renault 5 GT Turbo. Look at this. get this Fiat 500. This little track car. With the old bonnet open. So these guys have decided to all park up together. It's 260 valves, the G60, and looks like another, just an 8 valve at the end there. Don't adjust your screens for this very orange Land Rover Discovery. Looks pretty cool. Done to a very high standard, it looks like. The paintwork on this is flawless. Nice little turbo install as well. Even on the inside, it's done to a very high standard. I'm liking the install as well. Inside and out, all the floors been painted. Looks amazing. Looks like he's done it in Hessian as well. Not a VW, but probably carved the show for me. The work on the here is really second to none. I'm sure it's the same underneath as well.